Hi, welcome back to another video. I am Priyank Patel and I am a senior WordPress engineer at Multidots. Today in this video, we are going to talk about the flexibility of adding custom blocks into Gutenberg. And also we will cover a reusable Gutenberg part in this video. Here I have set up fresh WordPress installation and I have added one theme called MD Bricks over here. And this is basically MD Prime theme what we use in our projects. So let's start and create a new page over here. I'm going to give a title demo, and in order to add the content, or I would say the blocks, we need to click on this plus icon where you can see these all are under tags, media. These all are the core blocks which is provided by WordPress itself. And these are by default there if you install WordPress. But as per the requirement of the customer, we have built few of the custom blocks over here, which you can see. And in Multidots, we have a huge custom Gutenberg block library called MD Gutenberg library. I have added few of the blocks over here, and it's pretty easy to incorporate blocks from the MD Gutenberg library to any of the theme. So right now I have added a few of the blocks over here, and I'm just going to demo like how to add add a custom block on the template. So let's click on this theme block. So now you can see it's already over here. Here, what all things you can do is you can add the title of the team name member. So team member one, maybe developer. And here, this is a small description. We can upload an image as well, and we can view a LinkedIn link if a person is having. If we want to add another team member, we can click on the plus icon. So similarly, it will add more items over here. Now, here we will see all the custom settings that we have created for this particular block. So this is the custom Gutenberg block we have created for our clients. And if we want to add any reusable blocks, for an example, let's create one group block, and inside that group, I'm going to add or heading maybe. Then comes the paragraph, and again comes heading. I'm adding an image block over here. I'm just adding one image here. So now this is kind of block on my site which is going to be used on so many pages or templates, I can say. What if I want to add this particular block, particular group block in, for example, 10 or 15 different pages? So it's not easy to add every time a group block, then add all the content in heading, then the paragraph, then image. This is just a simple block, but imagine if there is a 2 column or 3 column block, and we need to add complex content on that particular block. And that particular block that is going to be used on so many different places. So it's rework, right? So just to avoid that rework, what Gutenberg offers is you can click on the group block and then click on this three dot icon. Here you can create a pattern. So if I click on this pattern and if I add the name of the pattern, say pattern 1 over here, and categories I can add any. Let's select about only here. There is an option called sync which is on right now, but I'm going to make it off. So what this option will do is if I select synced on, then whenever I'm going to change any of the content on any of the block, it is going to be reflected on all the blocks throughout the site. So if I want just the structure to be copied and the content of the block or the reusable block will be different on all the blocks, I need to deselect this option. So right now, let's assume that the content will be different on all the blocks, but the structure will remain same on different pages. I have deselected it and I'm just going to add it now. So now you can see the pattern is added. Now let's save it, refresh our page, and I'm going to add another block after it and click on plus icon. Now go to patterns over here. There inside about, you will see our pattern 1 is added. So now if I want to add this pattern or this reusable block in any of the pages, I just need to click on this. So try to create another page. Give a title reusable block. Go to patterns, about. This is a category, by the way, which we have selected. And if I click over here, you can see the block is added. Now I can change the content over here. Since it's a non-synced content or non-synced reusable block, I can change the content over here, which is not going to be reflected on other blocks. It's only that change will be only for this particular block only. So this is how the reusable block will work. In Multidots, we create custom blocks and reusable blocks as per the requirement of the client. Or if we are migrating any project, we initially on the first phase see the content on each and every pages and posts, and then we decide like what all blocks are there and how many reusable blocks we need to build. Also, we will define custom block structure. If there are some blocks which are not made, there is a content on the existing site which is not getting made using the core blocks, then in that case, we need to create a custom block, which we do easily at Multidots. So that was the custom block for you and the reusable block for you. That was an example of how Multidots works on migration project. If you have any doubt or any questions, please reach out to us at multidots.com/contact-us. Thank you very much.